The fashion industry, historically known for its environmental impact and fast-paced consumption, is undergoing a significant transformation towards sustainability. As awareness of climate change and environmental degradation grows, both consumers and brands are increasingly prioritizing eco-friendly practices. This shift towards sustainable fashion is driven by a combination of technological innovation, ethical considerations, and changing consumer preferences. In this video, we explore the various ways the fashion industry is embracing sustainability, highlighting key eco-friendly practices, pioneering brands, and emerging consumer trends. Eco-friendly practices. Sustainable fashion encompasses a wide range of practices aimed at reducing the environmental footprint of clothing production and consumption. One of the primary focuses is on materials. Traditional fabrics like cotton and polyester have significant environmental impacts due to water usage, pesticide application, and non-biodegradability. In response, many brands are turning to organic cotton, recycled fibers, and innovative materials like Tencel, which is derived from sustainably sourced wood pulp. These materials not only reduce environmental impact, but also often provide superior durability and comfort. Another key aspect of sustainable fashion is the reduction of waste. The industry has been notorious for its contribution to landfill waste through the cycle of fast fashion. To combat this, practices such as upcycling, where old garments are transformed into new products, and zero-waste pattern making, which minimizes fabric waste, are becoming more prevalent. Additionally, brands are increasingly adopting circular economy principles, where products are designed for longevity, reuse, and eventual recycling. Companies like Patagonia and Eileen Fisher are leading the way with repair programs and recycling initiatives that extend the life of their garments and reduce waste. Pioneering brands. Several fashion brands have emerged as leaders in the movement towards sustainability, setting new standards for eco-friendly practices. Stella McCartney is a prominent example, known for her commitment to using sustainable materials and ethical production processes. Her brand avoids the use of leather and fur, opting instead for innovative alternatives like vegetarian leather and recycled nylon. Similarly, Everlane has built its reputation on transparency and sustainability, providing detailed information about the environmental impact of its products and the ethical standards of its factories. In the fast fashion sector, brands like H&M and Zara are also making strides towards sustainability. H&M's Conscious Collection and Zara's Join Life initiative focus on using sustainable materials and improving the environmental impact of their supply chains. These efforts include commitments to reduce water usage, increase the use of recycled fabrics, and promote garment recycling through in-store collection programs. These initiatives demonstrate that even large-scale retailers can contribute to the shift towards more sustainable fashion practices. Changing consumer trends. The shift towards sustainable fashion is not just driven by brands. Consumer behavior is also playing a crucial role. Today's consumers, particularly younger generations, are more informed and concerned about the environmental and social impacts of their purchases. The rise of the slow fashion movement, which emphasizes quality over quantity, is a direct response to the fast fashion model. Consumers are increasingly seeking out brands that align with their values, prioritizing durability, ethical production, and environmental responsibility. Additionally, the popularity of secondhand shopping and clothing rental services is on the rise. Platforms like Depop, Poshmark, and Rent the Runway offer consumers more sustainable alternatives to buying new clothes. These services promote the reuse and recycling of garments, reducing the demand for new production and minimizing waste. The growth of these platforms reflects a broader cultural shift towards more sustainable consumption patterns in fashion. Technological innovations in sustainable fashion. Technological advancements are playing a critical role in driving sustainability within the fashion industry. Innovations such as 3D printing, digital pattern making, and fabric recycling technologies are revolutionizing how clothes are designed, produced, and distributed. 3D printing allows for precise and minimal waste production of clothing, while digital pattern making optimizes fabric use to reduce waste. Fabric recycling technologies, such as chemical recycling methods, break down old garments into their raw materials to be reused in new products. These technologies not only reduce environmental impact, but also open up new possibilities for creative and efficient garment production. Ethical labor practices. Ethical labor practices are a cornerstone of the sustainable fashion movement, ensuring that the workers who produce garments are treated with dignity and respect. This involves providing safe working conditions, fair wages, reasonable working hours, and the right to unionize. Brands like People Tree and Fair Indigo lead by example, partnering with fair trade organizations and adhering to rigorous ethical standards. These companies ensure that their supply chains are free from exploitative practices, such as child labor and unsafe working environments. By prioritizing ethical labor practices, these brands not only improve the lives of workers, but also promote a more just and equitable fashion industry. Consumers play a crucial role by supporting brands that uphold these values, driving demand for more ethically produced goods, and encouraging the broader industry to adopt fair labor standards. The role of certifications and standards. Technological advancements are driving significant progress in the realm of sustainable fashion, offering innovative solutions to some of the industry's most pressing environmental challenges. One such breakthrough is the use of 3D printing, which allows designers to create intricate garments with minimal waste. By precisely layering materials, 3D printing eliminates the excess fabric typically associated with traditional cutting and sewing methods. This technology not only reduces waste, but also enables the creation of custom-fit clothing, thereby reducing the likelihood of returns and further waste. Digital pattern making is another advancement that optimizes fabric usage, utilizing computer algorithms to lay out patterns in the most efficient manner possible. These technologies together are setting new standards for sustainability in garment production. Fabric recycling technologies are also at the forefront of sustainable fashion innovation. Chemical recycling methods, such as those developed by companies like Worn Again Technologies, break down old garments into their raw components, allowing the fibers to be reused in new products. This process significantly reduces the need for virgin materials, conserving resources, and lowering the environmental impact of textile production. The future of sustainable fashion. The future of sustainable fashion is poised for significant advancements as technological innovations and growing consumer awareness drive the industry towards more eco-friendly practices. Emerging trends such as biodegradable fabrics and bio-based dyes are gaining traction, offering greener alternatives to traditional textiles and chemical treatments. Materials like mushroom leather, made from mycelium and algae-based textiles, provide sustainable options that reduce reliance on animal products and synthetic fibers. These innovations are not only environmentally friendly, but also open new avenues for creative expression in fashion design. Additionally, the integration of smart textiles that monitor and adapt to environmental conditions can further enhance the sustainability and functionality of clothing. Sustainable luxury is another burgeoning trend that is reshaping the fashion landscape. High-end brands are increasingly prioritizing environmental and social responsibility, recognizing that luxury and sustainability can coexist. Companies like Stella McCartney and Gucci are leading the way by incorporating sustainable practices into their production processes, from sourcing eco-friendly materials to implementing transparent supply chains. This shift towards sustainable luxury reflects a broader change in consumer values, with shoppers seeking high-quality, ethically produced goods that align with their environmental consciousness. As sustainability becomes a central focus, the fashion industry is set to innovate and adapt, paving the way for a greener, more ethical future where both the planet and its inhabitants are respected and protected. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest trends and insights in sustainable fashion, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth content on fashion, sustainability, and much more. Hit the notification bell so you'd never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.